This is a question I see all the time in detailing groups. How do I bring in more clients for my detailing business? If you want more clients consistently, not just when it's busy season, these are the 3 core things you need to focus on. First, your Google presence. When someone searches ceramic coating near me, PPF installer near me, or car detailing near me, they're not just browsing. These people are ready to book. This is what we call high intent traffic, and it's one of the most valuable sources of customers for a detailing business. But here's the problem. Most detailers set up Google Business Profile once and never touch it again. If you want to attract more clients, your Google profile needs to work like a 24/7 salesperson for your business. Start by uploading high-quality photos regularly. Show the shop, the team, the vehicles you're working on, and of course, the results. Then focus on reviews. Ask every single customer to leave a review, not just a rating, a review that talks about the service they received with you. The difference between a shop with 15 reviews and one with 150 reviews, it's massive. When someone is comparing businesses online, reviews build trust instantly. Also, make sure your services are clearly listed. Detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating, PPF, window tint, everything you offer should be visible. If they see 2 businesses, one has a few photos and a handful of reviews. The other has hundreds of photos and great reviews and clearly listed services. Which one do you think they're calling? Almost every time, it's the business that looks more professional and more established. Second, show the process on social media. Another mistake I see detailers make is they post the final result. Now, the finished car looks great, of course, but we actually sell the service, showing the process behind the transformation. Most customers, they don't understand what goes into detailing, what goes into paint correction, ceramic coating, or PPF installations. When you show wash and decontamination, the paint inspection, the polishing stages, the coating application, the PPF installation process, you're educating the customer. And when customers understand the work involved, they stop comparing you to the cheapest option in town. They start seeing the value in what you do. For example, one shop owner we work with started posting short videos showing the correction process and of course the ceramic coating applications. Now within a few weeks, they had customers coming in saying things like, I saw the process on Instagram and didn't realize how much work goes into this. That's powerful because it positions you as a professional and a specialist, not just another detailer. And that allows you to charge better prices and attract better clients. Third, leverage your existing customers. Most detailing business, you already have hundreds of past clients, but after the job is finished, there's often no follow-up at all. Meanwhile, those same customers, they still need services like maintenance washes, interior details, ceramic coating inspections, paint correction touch-ups, even PPF upgrades, and window tint. Instead of always trying to find brand new customers, start by reconnecting with the ones you already have. Send a simple message or even an email like, hey, it's been about 6 months since we worked on your vehicle. We're offering maintenance inspections and detailing this month if you'd like to bring the car back in. Now that one message can generate multiple bookings. Why? Because you're not marketing to strangers anymore. You're reaching people who already know and like you and trust your business. And those are always the easiest customers to convert. Final thought, it comes down to 3 fundamentals. Be visible when people search on Google. Build trust by showing your process on social media. And stay connected with your past customers. The detailing businesses that focus on these 3 areas are the ones that stay consistently booked and continue to grow year after year. If you're a detailer, PPF installer, or a tin shop owner, and you want more tips on how to grow your business, just follow our page in the link below. We share strategies like this all the time to help shop owners get more leads, more bookings, and build more profitable detailing businesses.